Hello everybody, how's it going? My name's Selbi and here's what we've got in store for you for this week's news. Number 1, GMAT focused syllabus. Common question if you're studying on your own is what is tested on the GMAT and what you should study for the GMAT. GMAT does not publish the official list of study topics and materials besides some brief overview of what is provided in the official guidebook, but based on the analysis of the official questions as well as feedback from real GMAT exams, our founder BB created a post that showcases the most accurate, unofficial GMAT syllabus there is to find. Link in description. Want to win GMAT Club focus tests for free? Well, we've got a fun Easter game for you. Join us on a fun Easter egg hunt in 2024 to spot and click all 14 eggs hidden around the site. The winner will get a unique badge on their profile plus 2 weeks of GMAT Club tests for free. The hunt is open from March 17th till April 7th, 2024. Good luck and happy hunting! Are you looking for a student loan? When you sign up with Prodigy through GMAT Club, you are eligible to get up to $500 cash back. The exact amount of the cash back depends on your loan amount, which we will attach a screenshot of right here. Read more about how to get this offer and cash back by clicking the link in description. Confused on what videos to watch to help with your GMAT prep? Not to worry, we have curated a whole list to help you with each section of the GMAT. These are some of our highly watched and admired videos on our YouTube channel that you shouldn't miss if you want to achieve a high score. Check out the post linked below and make sure to like the videos if you think it helped solve any of your doubts. New to Quant and need quick help figuring out the concepts? Well, then watch our 4-episode series with GMAT Ninja, where Charles covers the most important topics such as linear and quadratic equations, inequalities and absolute values, arithmetic questions and ratios, percentages, and word problems. Check out the playlist by clicking the link below. What are the placement trends like at top 10 US business schools? Read our latest post where we do a comparative analysis of top US MBA programs for the class of 2023, which highlights robust employment outcomes, with Wharton leading in job placement 97.2% and Stanford in median base salary $182,500. Consulting remains a popular career choice, with Tuck and Yale topping the list. Finance sees strong representation at Wharton and Columbia, while Haas leads in tech placements. Read more by clicking the link below. Listen to our latest podcast where we go behind the scenes with former admission directors of top business schools to give you an inside look at what really happens after you submit your MBA application. Get to learn about how applications are processed, who reads your essays, GMAT and GRE test scores, resumes, work experience, and recommendation letters, what criteria are taken into consideration, and how decisions are made. Give it a listen with a link mentioned down below. Attribution errors are common pitfalls in resumes and application essays, especially among professionals like consultants. These errors occur when individuals fail to accurately connect their actions with the outcomes achieved by their organizations. It's essential to recognize and rectify these errors to present a clear and compelling narrative of one's contributions and impact. Read more about how attribution errors are common pitfalls in MBA resume and applications by clicking the link down below. Watch our latest YouTube video of Brian from GuruFi, who talks about how one can repurpose their essays for multiple MBA applications. Let's face it, many applicants typically apply to 5 or more MBA programs, and usually there is a great deal of overlap between the MBA application essay prompts of business schools. Here's the catch. While prompts may look similar across different applications, each business school has its own set of expectations. So, how do we navigate this labyrinth without squandering your valuable time and energy? Well, you'll have to watch the video linked below to find out. And that's it, guys. That wraps up this week's update. Make sure to give the video a like if you enjoy our weekly news series, and leave a comment on the news update that you like the most. See you guys next week. Cheers!